Most people start a one-person AI business and fail. Not because they're not smart enough, not because they don't know how to use AI, they fail because they start in the wrong place. They build before they understand the market. They create before they verify the pain. And by the time they realize nobody wants what they built, weeks or even months are already gone. Here is the truth nobody tells you. AI will not save a weak business idea. People don't pay you because you used AI, they pay you because you solved a painful problem that is already costing them time, money, customers, or growth. That is the dark truth. AI is not the business. The problem is the business. In 1994, Jeff Bezos did not start Amazon by saying, "I have a warehouse. Now let me find customers." He started with a painful market gap. People wanted more book selection, better prices, and easier delivery. But the traditional bookstore system was limited. The pain was real. The demand was already proven. Then he built the system around it. Amazon did not start with technology. It started with a painful problem that millions of people already had, and that is the exact pattern you need to copy. So before you build anything, answer one question. What problem is painful enough that people would actually pay to solve it? Because people usually pay for only 4 things: to make more money, to save time, to avoid losing money, or to look better than their competition. Find a problem that hits one of those 4, and you have the beginning of a real business. Here is how you find it. First, use AI for research. Open Claude or ChatGPT and run this prompt. Analyze my niche and find the biggest problems people are already facing. Focus on problems that cost them time, money, customers, or growth. Rank those problems by urgency, how common they are, and whether people would realistically pay to solve them. AI will give you direction, but AI is not proof. Now go talk to real people. DM them, email them, call them, or talk to them face to face. Ask simple questions. What problem in your business is wasting the most time right now? What business task do you wish someone could handle for you? What problem is costing you money, leads, customers, or growth? And what would you actually pay someone to solve? Then write down their exact words, because those words decide your product, your offer, your timeline, and your marketing. When the same problem appears again and again, that is your signal. That repeated problem is your business. If the problem is weak, AI only helps you build the wrong thing faster. But if the pain is real, AI becomes your leverage. I made a blueprint that walks you through exactly how to find your first painful problem and build a one-person AI business around it. It's free, and the link is in the description. Use it before you build anything. And if you want me to make the next video on how top genius builders turn painful problems into offers people are ready to pay for, comment "problem" below, because that is how you create your first product, your first solution, or even your first paid order without needing investment up front. Subscribe to Cypher Legends to build like the top 0.1%.